Hello everyone, so today we are going to be cleaning the bedroom properly. It's not going to be done in a day, but we're going to break it up in chunks. Let's go. We're going to be cleaning under the bed. I have no idea what's down there, but come on, let's go down there. Let's see what we got. All right, so here we are. We are down below the bed. It doesn't look like it's too bad, but honestly, I don't think I've actually cleaned under the bed since I moved in. It's gonna be a lot. So here's what we're gonna do first. I'm going to try to get some kind of a broom or something. I need to get everything out from underneath the bed first, and then we'll go from there. So let's get going.
Now is my time to shine. When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others down and out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. Never let go, stand tall and hold tight. Overcoming obstacles is the objective in life. Doubters all the night, and onto them you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Ignite. Play the intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen, to be you instead of wishing. When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others down and out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others down and out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. Never let go, stand tall and hold tight. Overcoming obstacles is the objective in life. Never let go, stand tall and hold tight. Overcoming obstacles is the objective in life. Doubters all the night, and onto them you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Doubters all the night, and onto them you shine bright.
So this is what we're left with. I don't know what some of this stuff is, but let's get down there and figure it out. All right, so we're back. Got everything out, and there's some stuff that I'm not even sure I know what it is. But we have to kind of go through it. Princess here is just loving everything I'm taking out. This is a duffel bag she's on, but if it's like a pillow or anything that she could be on, she wants to be on it. I have shoes from Walmart for like $5. I don't know if they could be washed or not, but I may try. Looks like Duchess has decided to come in, help me out. I got my Converse. Those are pretty cool. Gonna have to put those inside a closet. I feel like I want a basket. So I got a basket in front of me. Say hi, Duchess. And if it doesn't belong in this room, it's gonna go inside the basket. That way, after I'm done, take the basket out and put stuff where it goes. My Converse are going in the basket. Looks like I got some socks that are probably dirty. If not, they were under there, so I know they're dirty. I'm gonna be doing a load of laundry after I'm done here. I have an old pair of shoes that are really gross. I got me some new ones, so they're gonna be thrown away. And what better than a plastic bag to put it in? I got some more shoes. Again, I'm not really sure if these could be washed, but I'm gonna find that out. I have a slipper. I have new slippers, so these thrown out. More shoes. Now these, I know I want to get rid of because the bottom has gotten pretty bad. Honestly, they were $5, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw those away. And I have one shoe. One shoe I don't want, I don't need. Sparkly, flat. Again, these were $5. The bottom is, the sole of it is kind of gross, so it's gross, it's broken, it's ripped. I'm not gonna use it. All right, so what do we have here? We have, so my husband, he has a concealed carry license, so some of this stuff is probably gonna be related to the gun he has. This is a leather holster looking thing. I'm gonna see if he wants this. I know I got a Pelican case right here that probably is gun related. These two things are going to be going back under the bed. It's some kind of a locked box. I don't personally like guns. Okay, this seems just to be some kind of a case. This is a pistol cleaner and a rifle cleaner. All right, well, those I guess are gonna go back on his side. I have a PS4 box. That's gonna go inside the office. That's gonna be kind of like the, hey, you tell me what you want to do with this. The problem with some of this stuff is that it's not mine. So I can't necessarily declutter stuff that isn't mine. You are in my way. Got a little tag, don't need that. I got one of Duchess's toys, see? I'll give it to her right now. I got this duffel bag right here. That's gonna go in the closet right there. I also pulled out a pillow. It's a big feather pillow that I am not sure that my husband's gonna use because it was his. What I will do though is I will take off the pillowcase and I will be cleaning that down the lines of the pillow. I don't think we need it because he has a brand new one that he really, really likes. And this got really dirty from being underneath the bed. Now that I'm looking at these shoes again, these and these, I really don't think I'm gonna be able to wash them. I really don't. And honestly, they're $5 at Walmart. I think I may just go get some new ones. It's about time. I really don't go in and spend money on myself that much. I think I may just get $5 pairs of shoes again. I found that these flats, because I walked in them all the time, they really hurt my legs. So now that I'm not walking as much, if I need them, I'll go get them. They don't spark joy, so out they go. I think I'm kind of happy with that. Looks like on the other side of the bed where I pulled that out, looks like it's just some clothes I need to go and put inside the hamper. I'll be doing that. I'm gonna go ahead and put this stuff back under the bed, except for this. I don't know what that is at all. So that is probably going to be going inside the office. I can't fit it in my basket. It's kind of heavy, kind of big. That's gonna go in the office. Let me go ahead and put these back. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the top from my long extender and I'm gonna go ahead and get those blinds.
Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Doubters all the night, and unto them you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Ignite. Play the intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen, to be you is something I'm wishing. Ignite. Play the intuition.
Let me get this one.
Upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen, to be you is something I'm wishing. Ignite. Play the intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen, to be you is something I'm wishing. When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others doubt and out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself is your toughest opponent.
I'm dusting from top to bottom because tomorrow I'm gonna start wiping down the surfaces and I'm going to vacuum. Make sure that you get all the way up here.
When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. Never let go, stand tall and hold tight.
Not bad. Let's go to the TV.
Overcoming obstacles is the objective in life. Doubters all the night, you know.
Now here's the question of the day. The question is, when was the last time you dusted on top of the doors? So that's gonna be the question of the day. Go ahead and let me know inside the comments. Now, what I'm not looking forward to is my dresser at all. So I got this really cute water bottle, but it's just sticking up there because I'm afraid to get it dirty. But you know what? It sparks joy, so I'm gonna use it. Check it out. Awesome, huh? So I'm gonna be using this. These are my fushigi balls, I think is what they are. And so it's basically contact juggling. And I wanted to learn how to contact juggle, but I never did. That could be something I may try to learn how to do. This one glows in the dark. Don't we all have those impulse buys? That's what this was. I'm throwing it away. This is a souvenir that we got from Florida when we went to one of the dinner shows. This is going in the office. Purse handles, they go inside the closet. All right. I have no idea how bad it is up there. So I'm gonna let you see, and I'm not gonna see until I edit this. So I bet it's really bad, really bad. Yeah, like I said, not sure what that looks like. I'll have to find out when I edit it, but it's time to dust whatever's up there.
On goes the light. Ignite. Play the intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen, to be you is something I'm wishing. Listen, do your own math and learn from the stuff that you are missing. Create your own path with your own vision.
Okay, just because I don't know what's on this, I'm gonna go outside, bang this out a little bit so I can get the dust off. Now, yesterday, I already dusted the ceiling fan, and I'll link to the video where I showed you how to do that. I'll link that up here for you. I gotta hit the tops.
So then you shine bright, cause inside your head, on goes the light. Ignite. Play the intuition upon the stars in the night.
Don't forget, we need to make sure that we get the tops of the blinds, because I only did the blinds, but I need to make sure that I get the tops too.
When your time comes, don't postpone it. When others doubt and out, you don't condone it. Truth be told, yourself is your toughest opponent. When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. Never let go, stand tall and hold tight. Overcoming obstacles is the objective in life. Doubters all the night, and unto them you shine bright. Cause inside your head, on goes the light. Ignite. Play the intuition upon the stars in the night that glisten. To you they listen, to me you stand in a wish.
To clean a room properly doesn't mean you need to spend all day. I'm only gonna do so much today, and then tomorrow I'm gonna finish it up. So here's your homework assignment. I want you to go ahead and clean under your bed. It doesn't take long at all whatsoever. It just takes maybe 5-10 minutes. Go clean under your bed, get all this stuff out, and then put it all away. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, there's more videos over there. There's more videos on the right. And if you want to go and see the next video when I finish up the bedroom, you want to go and click on my face right there and subscribe. Make sure you hit that bell notification icon, and that way you'll be notified the next time that I have a video come out. I'll see you guys in the video tomorrow. Bye.